Hello, everyone. I am back with something a little bit different. First, the pet tax had to be paid with my lovely little Rena-chan right here. But I received something very special in the mail, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I know this is very different from what I normally do. I apologize in advance. But Deacon Josh, who you have heard often with his father, Fr Michael Birdsong, who's been on the podcast many a time, Deacon Josh has started an Etsy shop where he is selling both rosaries and prayer beads. And the moment I heard this, I had to have them. So I ordered them immediately. They just came today. I have only opened up the package. I haven't actually taken them out or examined them yet. And that's what I wanted to do here. And yes, Rena-chan really wants to find out if there's food in there or not. Go on down, pretty girl. Okay. Anyway, let's get down to the first item. Yes, it's not food, Rena-chan. I'm so sorry. She's already eaten a ton tonight. So anyway, let's get into this. Yes, Rena-chan, it's not for you, baby girl. All right, so I ordered two different things. The first is a set of prayer beads, which Rena is highly interested in. And the second is a rosary. These are absolutely magnificent looking. If you can see that, I actually specifically ordered red for the prayer beads to go with the colors of the podcast. So forgive that bit of hubris there. And then a rosary with the same style crucifix there. And these are just absolutely beautiful. Josh, I cannot tell you how much I love these. I'm going to be putting them to use immediately. And I wish I could actually add a link, but if this is on TikTok, I can't, unfortunately. But if you search for, now I will actually have it in the description so you can see it. But if you're ever looking for rosaries or prayer beads, you absolutely cannot go wrong with anything that Josh creates. Thank you all for listening to me blather on for a while and play with my pup. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. One more shot of the Rena-chan. She just couldn't resist. She's a good girl.